Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, June the 17th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the Four Stars Sudoku. Yes. It's time for the Four Stars Sudoku. This will be number 8737. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Yes, a 4 stars puzzle. 4 stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed it is, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 2 threes. We have here 3, 4 fours. All right. We have here 3 fives. 2 sixes. 2 3 sevens. 1 8 and 4 nines. So the 4s and the 9s are a majority. Question is, can I start with the 4? Let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column and only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, last row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, well. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the 9? 9, 9. 9, 9. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column and only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 9. Cannot continue with 4 then. No. Well, not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in this column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. Need a 4 here also. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait again. Right. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So last column. The only place left for 5 should be there. Then let me see. 1, 1. Okay. How about here? 6, 6. Need 3 here. No 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in this row. No 7 in that box. One box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot me there. 6, 6. Need 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. And now 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Sorry, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Oh, wait. Wait. Let me start with the 7. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have 4 7s. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4 7s. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Overlooked. Need a 7 here. And I need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Well, these 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. Alright. 3, 4, 6. Alright. Well. Interesting. 1, 2, 6. 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Need 6 there. Need 6 here. Well, 1 and the 2 is missing here. Well. There's 7 here. There's 7 there. Need a 4 there. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 2, need a 2 there. 2, need a 2 there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second column and no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 5 there. So the 1 is missing. The 2 is missing in this big square. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Well, need to wait. 1, 2, 8. 1 and 2. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 there. And I need still thinking. 5. Well, 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Well. Well. Need 6 there. I'm thinking. 1, 2. 3, 8, and 3, 8, and 2. 3, 8, and 2. Ay. Come on. 2, 8. 2, 8. In a 3. 2, 8, 3. Move over 4s. No. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Ay. Need a 6 there. 6 there. 6 here. Need 7 here. Need 7 there. Need 7 there. Ay. 8. Two. Having troubles. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places level 3. Could be here, could be there. Let me mark the numbers. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places level 5. Could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Only 2 places level 6. Could be here, could be there. 1. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this second row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in the third column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. The 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 1 in this column, third column. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left the 1 is should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. So we have the 1 here. Yep. 3 missing numbers. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this column. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright, 5, 5, 5, 5. Oh, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here on there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Then we have all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright, and now And now, about the 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 in these two boxes. We have 7 in this row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes in there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next down needs to place left for the 1 should be here. 1 there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. And all the ones are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 1. How about 8 and a 3 are missing here. Yeah, 8, 3 and need a 2 here. We need a 2 in this column. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. So the only place level 2 in this column should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square from us. 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in the middle column are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a pair. Here also 3 and 8. Alright, here 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 6 are missing. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left here for the front. For numbers 4 to 6, 4 to 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 place left, 4 should be here. 1 there, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Okay, here should be the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 now in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 8 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. Here also 3 and 8. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 6 should be there. So the 3 and the 8 are left. Yeah, 3 and 8. 3 and 8. So here we have a pair. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 8 should be there. 3 and 8. We have 8 now, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 3 and 8, we have 8 in the middle, well, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes in there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes again. 19 minutes. Previous Sudoku also 19 minutes. But the previous Sudoku has 4 digits more. 28 printed digits. This one at 24. Is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.